Best leg workouts for women, at home and in the gym. Why should you practice leg exercises? Your legs are employed in everyday activities as well as powerful compound workouts such as the squat, deadlift, and bench press. Leg workouts offer several advantages, including strengthening leg muscles, creating stronger bones in teens, and preserving bone density as you age. Leg workouts have several advantages. Leg workouts may help you reach a variety of fitness goals, from muscle growth to increasing performance in other sports. Because your leg muscles are much larger than the other muscles in your body, recruiting them during exercise requires a lot more energy. Lower body workouts are therefore one of the simplest methods to raise your heart rate, especially when done at greater intensities, which may be a wonderful way to change up your training and work out in different heart rate zones. Crab walk. This exercise improves hip stability, strengthens the hip abductors and deep pelvic muscles, and improves knee and ankle stability. Crab walks can be done before lifting or running to activate the crucial leg stabilizing muscles. Clams. Engage the gluteus medius, the hip muscle used for internal and external rotation and abduction. According to the American Council on Exercise, ACE, the gluteus medius also aids in the stabilization of the hip and pelvis during weight-bearing movements. Stephanie Sanzo, a sweat trainer, demonstrates a clam variant that focuses your core and helps to stabilize your body. It is an excellent exercise to perform before lower body workouts such as deadlifts or squats. Glute bridges use both your hamstrings and glutes, a collection of muscles below your thighs that govern hip and knee mobility. This is a nice warm-up for squats or deadlifts. Foam rolling. The study, The Effects of Self-Myofascial Release Using a Foam Roll or Roller Massager on Joint Range of Motion, Muscle Recovery, and Performance, published in the International Journal of Sports Physical Therapy, discovered that, while more research is needed, foam rolling may be effective for improving joint range of motion and pre- and post-exercise muscle performance. According to the American College of Sports Medicine, foam rolling can also aid to enhance blood flow to the muscles and release connective tissue surrounding muscle fibers, which can help to relieve muscular tension. Foam rolling is also good before a workout. For example, to prepare for your next leg day, foam roll your glutes, calves, and the sides of your legs. You're ready to begin your leg workout after you've activated your legs. Here are some efficient body weight workouts that will target all of your leg muscles. Hamstring curls work your core and balance while targeting your hamstrings. Squats strengthen the muscles in your legs, particularly the glutes, quadriceps, and hamstrings, as well as your core. Squats can assist you create stability for jumping exercises as well as enhance your balance. Walking lunge. If you have more room, consider this static lunge version. Walking lunges serve to develop the leg muscles, core, and hips while also loosening tight hip flexors and activating the glutes. Box jumping. This exercise may be performed on a step, a bench, or any other sturdy raised surface. Box jumps work the fast-twitch muscle fibers in your calves, hamstrings, quadriceps, and glutes, which are activated during explosive actions.